Now I would like to create another group. So I would be selecting all the elements whose name starts from E till P. So I'll select envelopes, I'll press control key, and I'll select all the elements whose name starts from E till to F, L, M, and till P. And once I've selected all these elements, I'll click on group. And again, the by default the name was the name of the group is all the elements added to it. I would like to rename it to E2P products. So in this way, I have created one more group and named it as E2P products. And I would click and say, since I've already made it as group, so it is a group now. So I've got these two groups, and these three elements are without any group, so they are basically having a group as others. Now I'll say apply, and I would say okay. Now what you will see is when I'll plot a subgroup with supposedly say sales over here, and when I would like to color them, I can simply place subcategory groups on the colors. So you will see that the colors of these subcategories will change automatically based on the group in which they have been assigned. Now if I would like to see the sales, I can simply drag and drop the sales over here. Now if I would like to name them, means the name of the subgroups, I can place the subgroup and I can place it on labels, so I get that which element belongs to which subgroup belongs to which subcategory belongs to which subgroup. Sorry, which subcategory belongs to which group. I can see that from here. From the colors also I can identify, or I can label them as well. So this way I have created a group. Now, in a similar way, we can also create custom territories. So it looks something like this. Of the 49 states of US, I have created four groups. I have divided them into four groups, and then I can track the sales of each group individually. So I'll tell you how to create it. First, let me remove all of this. First of all, we'll place states and sales together. So we get a graph between them. Then we'll go and select our maps diagrams over here. Now we would like to group them together. So first of all, I click on one state and I'll drag and select the others. So this is one group for me. So when I click over here, it gives me an option to create a group. So I'm creating a group over here, and this is another group. So we are two groups. Now, if I would like to place this in one group, now I would like to place these values in another group. Okay, one more group. So now basically there are two groups and one is an other one. Now I would like to create one more group over here. So I'm creating one more group over here. So in this way, if you'll notice, I have created four groups, and the name of each is the name of all the states which fall in this, and then one is another group. So now if I would like to rename the values in each of these groups, I'll directly go to the group name first. So the group I have created, its name is state group 1. So under the state field, you will find the state group 1. Go over here and go to edit groups. Now I can rename the groups as I want, and I can also see the contents of each group of states. So the first group contains Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, New Mexico, and Texas. So I can rename it to say S1, since they are the first segment of states for me. Or I can rename them as Southern, maybe, because these are a part of Southern states. Okay. Then over here for Arizona, California, and Idaho and others, I would like to rename them as the Western ones. And then for Connecticut and others, I would like to rename them as the Eastern ones. And then with the name of Michigan and all, I would like to rename them to the Northern states. So that was pretty much for the remaining ones, since they are central. So I can just say central ones. So like this, I have divided the all the 49 states of US into five groups. And when I say apply and okay, so these are the five groups I have. Now, if I'm a manager of a sales team, I can track the sales of the all the states of US by grouping them together. So the tracking of the sales becomes easier for me. So if I would like to place the names over there, I can easily do that. I'll place the subgroups over here. Subgroup from the labels as well. So over here you can see instead of state names, I've been getting the names of the groups they belong to. I'll also create these states over here so you can easily see that which state belongs to which subgroup. So that was pretty much on grouping and creating subcategories, means creating groups of subcategories or other dimensions, and how to create custom territories using grouping for the sales teams. So that's all for the grouping. See you guys in the next video.